Continue Havdalah's flame. So it's the last part of Havdalah. Every muktzeh Shabbos we make a special bracha on a flame. The reason is that Adam and Chava were expelled from a Gan Eden on muktzeh Shabbos. On muktzeh Shabbos. Hashem provided Adam with a concept of striking two stones together and create fire. Right, so he was scared, like in the woods, in the mountains, I don't know where he was. So Hashem gave him this idea to make the fire. Okay, since fire is essential for everyday lives, we can commemorate this with a special blessing, right? Because the fire was created, right, or at least discovered on muktzeh Shabbos. That's why we say the blessing on the fire. One will not be able to fulfill Havdalah on muktzeh Shabbos. One who will not be able to make the Havdalah on muktzeh Shabbos should make the appropriate bracha on Besamim and just 1 second. If one will not be able to make Havdalah on muktzeh Shabbos, should make the appropriate bracha on Besamim and flame as possible. So for some reason, let's say the person does not have wine, or they're going to get the wine only tomorrow morning, like on Sunday morning, right? So still it is proper. So there is 3 separate things that we do during Havdalah. So on Saturday night, muktzeh Shabbos, so we did blessing on a fire and blessing on Besamim, because it's those applicable only on muktzeh Shabbos, right? But on Sunday morning, so you cannot say those. I mean, after the dawn, so you cannot say those. So, but you can still say Havdalah over the wine. Continue. The candle that is used for Havdalah should preferably have at least 2 wicks and close enough to produce single flame. So I mean, that's a minimum requirement, and that's what we recommend people who cannot afford this Havdalah. They live in the places where there is no Havdalah. I mean, of course, I mean, today we say, yeah, you can buy over internet wherever you want. Some people, guess what, cannot afford. Okay, so and I know many situations like that. They cannot afford Havdalah, so we tell them just like connect 2 wicks from 2 candles, and here we go, you have Havdalah. Okay, so that's the minimum requirement. Just 1 second. Single flame. To fulfill the obligation of the bracha on the flame, one must be close enough to benefit from the light of the candle. This means that the light produced is sufficient for one to be able to differentiate between 2 coins. Okay, so here's the thing. So I mean, if you make this Havdalah in a shul, let's say, right, and men doing in the men's section, and women are not past the Havdalah, that's the issue. So women cannot see, like from women's section this light. They cannot benefit. So in some shuls, what they do, and it's proper, right? They turn off the light, the main light. Even like there is emergency light. Usually you cannot turn all of the light completely. Usually, maybe some places you can. I don't know. So basically, when there is a dark in that room and you have this Havdalah candle, so like it's easier to benefit. And what is it in benefit? So you have 2 coins from 2 different countries, and they look very similar. The best example that I personally know is maybe the quarter from US and a quarter from Canada. I'm not sure. Maybe like if you don't see them, I think that they're like similar size, or I don't want to say same size, but very, very similar. So unless it's light enough that you can see them, so you would not be able to differentiate. So that's what they say is deriving benefit. Often there are many people sharing the candle. If one cannot come close enough to be considered benefiting from the light, and then after Havdalah is over, she should come closer to make bracha for herself. So I mean, this person said the blessing. So And I mean, if I'm not sure how he's saying that she can come up over by herself. If it's in the shul, there is a problem. If it's in my house, for example, I do so everybody come closer, guests or whatever family, they can come closer and they can switch the places, and everybody can do this Havdalah. There is no problem, right? But if it's a bigger, women are not going to go from a women's section next to the men's section to do that. So it's not working very well for them. So continue. The custom is to look the one's nails if they're held up to the fire, as they are held up to the fire. Custom varied as to whether to leave electric light on or off during a bracha over the fire. So we prefer this Havdalah is I don't know, a few minutes. If you sing it nice, some people play the guitar and sing it, Baruch Hashem, right? So, but still, it's only a few minutes. So it's proper, as I said, even for this only blessing, to turn off the lights. So if you need the lights only for the blessing, okay, lights off only for the blessing, there is no problem. So keep them on all this time. For the blessing, turn them off and let everybody look at the nails. So first, I mean, it does not say, but first we look at the skin on a palm, and then you close, and the way you close, you do 4 fingers over the thumb like this, and then you look at the nails. Right, so you need to see the reflection on your nails from this candle. So you do with right hand. Some people with one, but proper to do with both hands. Right hand, of course, right hand's always first, and then you do with the left hand.